Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the exercise 2.1 and today we will solve the question number 11 to 14. Find the value of the following: tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. You have to find out the value of this whole term. Now first of all, we will find out the value of tan inverse 1. Then principal value of this one. After that we will find out the principal value of second term. Then after that we will find out the value of third term. After finding the value, we will put all the values in this term. Now first of all we will find out the principal value of tan inverse 1. Let us begin the solution. Let x equal to tan inverse 1. Let x equal to tan inverse 1. So tan x equal to 1 and tan x equal to 1 is when the value of tan x is 1, pi by 4. So 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. So we can write 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. Now what is the range of tan inverse? The range of tan inverse is your principal value of tan inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the value of tan inverse, the principal value of tan inverse. Now pi by 4 is lie between this one, so we can write this one pi by 4 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So what is the value of x? X is equal to pi by 4, means the principal value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. We can write therefore tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. Let it equation 1. Now we will solve the second term, that is cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Let y equal to cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2. Then cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2. After that cos y equal to minus, as it is, the value of 1 by 2 is cos of pi by 3, because 1 by 2 means cos which degree, 60 degree, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, so cos pi y is equal to minus cos pi by 3. We know cos of pi minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Cos of pi minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Similarly here minus cos pi by 3. So we can write this cos of y equal to cos of pi minus pi by 3. According to this formula we can write this equation as in the form of this. So cos y equal to cos of 2 pi by 3. So range of principal value of cos inverse is, that is 0 to pi. That's why we change this term minus pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Is it clear? Now what is the value of this? Cos y is equal to 2 pi by 3, so we can written as y is equal to 2 pi by 3, or 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi. Therefore the value of cos inverse minus half equal to 2 pi by 3. This is the second equation. Now third one is sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Let us solve the third one. Let z equal to sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So sin z equal to minus 1 by 2 and sin z equal to the value of 1 by 2 at 30 degrees, so we can written as minus pi by 6 sin of pi by 6. This value is coming. We know that minus sin theta is equal to sin of minus theta. is the condition. According to that, we can written as sin z equal to sine of minus pi by 6. So what is the value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is, that is minus pi by 6. This is the third equation. And we know what is the range of sine inverse. The range of sine inverse is closed intervals minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the range of sine inverse. Now put all these three equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 in this equation. Now tan inverse 1 plus now cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Put the value. What is the value of tan inverse 1? That is pi by 4. After solving, we got this equation. Now cos inverse minus 1 by 2, that is 2 pi by 3. Now 2 pi by 3 plus minus pi by 6. Now take the LCM. The LCM is 12. Now solve it. 3 pi plus, what is coming here? 3 pi, and here 2 pi upon 3. So 8 pi minus 2 pi. So what is coming here? 9 pi by 12. Then we can write this is 9 pi by 12 after solving 3 pi by 4. So answer is tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sine inverse minus 1 by 2 equal to 3 pi by 4. This is the answer of this question. Now continue with the question number 12, that is cos inverse half plus 2 sine inverse half. We have to find out the value of this term. First of all, we will find out the principal value of first term, then second term, and then put the value of this equation. Now let us begin the solution. Let x is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. Now cos x equal to half. When you will take this side, cos x equal to half. Now cos x equal to, when the value of cos x is half at pi by 3, cos pi by 3. So pi by 3 belongs to the range of cos, that is 0 and pi. Cos, in the range of cos inverse is this one. Now what is the value of x? Pi by 3. It means x equal to pi by 3. We will write here the value of cos inverse half is, value of cos inverse half equal to pi by 3. Now let us find out the value of second term, that is 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. So first of all, we will find out the, let y equal to sine inverse 1 by 2 and sine y equal to 1 by 2. Sin y equal to 1 by 2, value of 1 by 2 in the form of sine, that is sine pi by 6. We can write this 1 by 2 equal to sine pi by 6. So y equal to pi by 6, and pi by 6 belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is the value of this term. Now put the value of this equation, cos inverse 1 by 2 plus, now plus 2 sine inverse half. This is the equation given question. Now put the value. What is the value of cos inverse 1 by 2? That is pi by 3 from equation 1, and sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6 from equation 2. Now cos inverse, what is the value of cos 1 by 2? That is pi by 3. Pi by 3 plus 2 as it is this one, and sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Now solve it. After solving, what is coming here? Pi by 3 plus pi by 3, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. So this is the answer. Now start the next one. Question number 13. If sine inverse x is equal to y, then what is the range of this term? The range of sine inverse x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, minus pi by 2 less than equal to y less than equal to pi by 2. So B is the correct option. Now question number 14, that is tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. Find the value of this term. Now let us start the solution. Let x equal to tan inverse root 3 and tan x equal to root 3. Yes, what is the value of what is the value of tan x in the form of root 3? That is tan pi by 3 is equal to root 3, means tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degree is coming root 3. So tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3. So what is the value of x? The value of x is pi by 3, which is belongs to, what is the range of this? Tan minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, means the value of tan inverse root 3 equal to pi by 3. This is the equation 1. Similarly, find out second one, that is sec inverse minus 2. Let sec inverse minus 2 equal to y. So what is the value of sec y? Sec y equal to minus 2, and we can write that sec y equal to, what is the value of, yes, you know, the sec is reciprocal of cos, and cos x is equal to 1 by 2. At which degree? That is pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Now we can write sec y is a reciprocal of cos x, so sec y equal to minus 2, so minus sec pi by 3. Now the range of sec is, and the cos is 0 to pi, range of this one, so we will change it, sec y equal to sec of pi minus pi by 3, because sec pi minus theta equal to minus sec theta. Now sec pi minus pi by 3, so sec y equal to sec 2 pi by 3. Now what is the value? Sec y equal to 2 pi by 3, so y equal to 2 pi by 3 belongs to closed interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Range is closed interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. This is the range of cos, and sec is this one. Cos is 0 to pi, closed interval. Now this is a sec inverse minus 2 equal to 2 pi by 3. Now put the value. The question is, now tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. What is the value of tan inverse root 3? That is pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3, the value of this one. Now after solving, it is coming minus pi by 3, and this is the answer of this question.